Ever wondered what secrets the universe holds? This vast and fascinating cosmos, a swirling dance of galaxies, stars, and planets, continuously bewitches us with its grandeur and mystery. For centuries, we humans, tiny specks on a blue dot, have been gazing up into the night sky, yearning to decode the enigmatic language of the stars. Our ancestors charted the heavens, creating constellations and celestial myths, laying the groundwork for modern astronomy. Then came the era of telescopes and space probes, bringing the universe a little closer to our grasp. Yet the more we discover, the more we realize how much remains unknown. The universe, it seems, is like an infinite onion, peeling away layer after layer, only reveals more layers. So are you ready to embark on an extraordinary journey? Today, we're diving into 100 incredible, scientifically confirmed facts about our universe. Ready to have your mind blown? Starting our countdown at number 100, let's dive into the mesmerizing world of galaxies. Did you know there are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the universe? That's more than the grains of sand on every beach on Earth. At number 99, let's talk about the Milky Way. Our home galaxy is a whirling disk of stars, gas, and dust, spinning at a dizzying speed of approximately 570,000 miles per hour. But despite this breakneck pace, it takes our sun a whopping 250 million years to complete just one orbit around the galaxy. Fact 98 takes us to the heart of our galaxy, where a supermassive black hole named Sagittarius A** resides. Don't worry, it's a safe 26,000 light-years away from Earth. Moving on, number 97 reveals that the largest galaxy, IC 1101, is a colossal 6 million light-years in diameter. That's about 60 times the size of the Milky Way. Next, at 96, we discover that galaxies aren't loners. They exist in clusters, and our Milky Way is part of a cluster known as the Local Group, which contains more than 50 galaxies. At fact number 95, we delve into the cosmic microwave background. This is the afterglow of the Big Bang, and it's everywhere, permeating the universe with a temperature of just over 2.7 degrees above absolute zero. Fact 94 tells us that stars aren't all the same color. Their hues range from red to white to blue, depending on their temperature, with red being the coolest and blue being the hottest. At number 93, we learn that our sun is just an average star. But even so, it's so large that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Fact 92 introduces us to neutron stars. These are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded and are so dense, a sugar cube-sized amount would weigh as much as a mountain. Finally, at number 91, we find out that the universe is not only expanding, but this expansion is also accelerating due to a mysterious force known as dark energy. Wow, and we're just getting started. Moving on to fact 90, black holes are not, in fact, empty holes. They're packed with matter and have a gravitational pull so strong that not even light can escape. Speaking of light, fact 89 reveals that light travels at an incredible speed of 186,000 miles per second. That's fast enough to go around the world 7.5 times in just 1 second. Fact 88, the age of the universe is currently estimated to be around 13.8 billion years old. Imagine the birthday candles on that cake. For fact 87, did you know that if you fell into a black hole, you would stretch like spaghetti due to something called spaghettification? Sounds like a pasta lover's dream. Fact 86 takes us back to light speed. If you could drive your car at the speed of light, you'd be able to go to the moon in just under 2 seconds. Finally, fact 85 reveals that black holes slowly evaporate over time, a process known as Hawking radiation. Intrigued yet? There's more to come. Fact number 80 is a bit of a mind-bender. In the realm of space-time, scientists have found that time isn't a constant. It slows down the closer you get to a gravitational field. So if you're hanging out near a black hole, your wristwatch would tick slower than your friends back on Earth. Talk about time travel. Fact 79, gravity isn't just a force that pulls you down. It's actually the warping of space and time by mass and energy. Imagine a bowling ball on a trampoline, causing the fabric to curve. That's gravity for you. As for fact 78, did you know that quantum physics suggests particles can be in 2 places at once? This is known as superposition. The world of the tiny is indeed strange and fascinating. Fact 77 to 71 dives into the mysterious and elusive dark matter and dark energy, which makes up a whopping 95% of our universe. Things are about to get even more mind-boggling. Fasten your seatbelts, we're going deeper. At number 70, we're not slowing down, just like the universe. The universe is always expanding, and it's doing so at an accelerating rate. This cosmic acceleration is a phenomenon that continues to baffle scientists. Moving to fact 69, we delve into the origins of it all, the Big Bang Theory. Contrary to popular belief, it wasn't an explosion, but rather an expansion of space itself. Imagine a balloon being inflated. That's our universe, constantly growing. Fact 68 introduces the mysterious dark matter. It's invisible and doesn't interact with light, yet it makes up about 85% of the universe's total mass. Talk about an unseen giant. As we journey to fact 67, we learn that the universe has no center. It's not spinning or revolving around anything. We're all just floating in the vast cosmic sea. Still with us? Great, because it's about to get even more fascinating. Fact 60 is about our own Milky Way, which might not be as milky as you think. This cosmic neighborhood we call home is actually a barred spiral galaxy. That means it has a central bar-shaped structure composed of stars, around which spiral arms unfold like a cosmic ballet. Now, let's do a quick tour of our solar system. Fact 59. Did you know that our solar system is over 4.5 billion years old? If we squeeze that time into a single year, humans wouldn't appear until the last hour of December 31st. Talk about a late entry. For our 58th fact, let's take a closer look at the sun. It's not just a giant ball of burning gas. It's also a massive nuclear reactor fusing about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second. That's a lot of power. On to fact 57. Ever feel like there's not enough time in the day? Well, if you lived on Venus, your day would be longer than your year. Venus rotates so slowly that it takes longer to complete a full rotation than it does to orbit the sun. Fact 56 takes us to the red planet Mars. Did you know that it has the largest dust storms in the solar system? These storms can last for months and cover the entire planet. That's a cleaning job I wouldn't want. Fact 55 brings us back to Earth. Our home planet is the only one known to support life. But don't let that make you feel too special. There are potentially billions of other Earth-like planets out there in the universe. Our next stop is Jupiter for fact 54. This gas giant is so large that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. That's some serious real estate. Fact 53 is about Saturn. Its rings are not solid, but rather made up of particles of ice, dust, and rock, some as tiny as grains of sand, some as large as mountains. Our 52nd fact takes us to the chilly outskirts of our solar system. Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun, has winds that can reach up to 1,300 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. And finally, fact 51. Pluto may have been demoted from planet status, but it still holds a fascinating secret. It has a heart-shaped glacier that's the size of Texas and Oklahoma combined. We've crossed the halfway mark and we're not stopping now. Fact 50 is truly out of this world, quite literally. Exoplanets, which are planets located outside of our solar system, are more than just a figment of science fiction. Scientists have identified over 4,000 of these celestial bodies, and that's just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. Moving on to fact 49. Did you know that comets are considered the cosmic custodians of our solar system? That's right. These icy bodies carry ancient material left over from the time when our solar system was formed. As they orbit closer to the sun, their icy surfaces vaporize to create magnificent tails that light up our night skies. Now on to meteors for fact 48. These shooting stars aren't actually stars at all. They're fragments of asteroids or comets that burn up as they enter Earth's atmosphere. And for fact 47, the largest meteorite ever found on Earth weighed a whopping 60 tons. Ready for the final stretch? We've reached the final 40 facts, so buckle up. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light, leaving galaxies beyond our observable universe. Speaking of galaxies, there are over 2 trillion of them, each housing billions of stars. Did you know that the largest known star, UY Scuti, is so big that it could engulf our entire solar system? Now imagine a world where it rains glass, sideways. Well, that's a reality on HD 189733b, and exoplanet 63 light-years away. And let's not forget about the cosmic microwave background radiation, the oldest light in the universe, which is a snapshot of the cosmos just 380,000 years after the Big Bang. Then there's the Great Attractor, a gravitational anomaly in intergalactic space that's pulling us and other galaxies towards it. Lastly, time is not absolute, it's relative. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time moves slower the closer you are to a gravitational field. And that, my friends, was 100 scientifically confirmed facts about our incredible universe. We've embarked on a cosmic journey, diving into fascinating facts about the universe, exploring the mysteries of space, and marveling at our place within it. We've touched on supermassive black holes, galaxies, and the expanding universe, a mere glimpse into the complexity of the cosmos. Each fact you've heard is correct, but we welcome any corrections in the comments. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more cosmic explorations. Until next time, keep looking up.